you guys became very close friends as well.
Come to the point, Faridun.
No, I'm just saying
to the point.
Reports are there as well.
Come to the point.
I'm not saying it.
If you're one of those who's wanting to come to the point of controversies and link-ups and all, both Sonal and I thought के चलो अच्छा यार लिखने दो, उन्होंने लिख रहे हैं हमारी फिल्म के बारे में लिख रहे हैं ना.
5 kisses in 3G. Okay, that's final now, official. Okay.
Sonal वैसे had it in her contract that I will not kiss more than 6 times.
No.
Acha, like that.
We had an entire team and it started there and I
for some reason the press never sees the people around.
Right.
They always manage to capture the two people that they want to link up.
They're good at editing actually.
Yeah, I think they go and like on post they remove the people around also.
Possible.
I don't like the sound of sex symbol. I just think that it's I don't want a tag. I mean, if at all you want to tag me, then just tag me as an actor, and whatever's required of me as an actor, I'll do that. If you call me sexy, I'll take that as a compliment.
Hi guys, this is Neel Nitin Mukesh.
Hi guys, this is Sonal Chauhan.
And you guys are watching BollywoodHungama.com.
Well, we have this the gorgeous duo that is Neel Nitin Mukesh and Sonal Chauhan. Their film is coming up 3G and making a lot of waves because of they're literally in the waves in the sea as well, and lots of intimacy happening. So pleasure having you guys on Bollywood Hungama.
Thanks, Farid.
And there's a recent poster that has come out, and you know it's gone viral and on various social networking sites, and it's a very intimate. I think.
No, you're talking about the one where I'm submerged in the sand.
Correct. You are just shirtless and all that stuff, and you know so. A lot of is being said about the entire chemistry that you guys are sharing, in fact. So tell us about this experience, because I think you guys didn't even know each other before the movie started.
No, we didn't. And the experience, we got to know each other because we were working on the same film. In fact, we met through our producer Vicky Rajani in his office first time. But personally, for me, the experience was fantastic. Before this, I had obviously seen his movies, and I thought that. Always thought that he's a very fine actor, and even when I got to know that I'm doing a movie with him, I was very excited.
Right.
But when I met him is when I got to know him as a person, and I think that just added to it. And I also believe that it always helps when your co-star is a good actor and is someone who's easygoing, is open to suggestions, and Neel is all that, and I think that's what made it fun. And it didn't feel like we are working. It never felt like, oh my God, you know, there's so much work. It was fun, and you know, the whole shoot was just fantastic.
तुमने कुछ गलत तो नहीं किया?
तुम पागल तो नहीं हो गई हो?
You know, Neel, what's being said is that irrespective of the phase of the movie, I think it's looking very good. But somewhere this will be a memorable film for you as such, because you met Sonal, in fact, and from what the reports are going, that you guys became very close friends as well.
Come to the point, Faridun.
No, I'm just saying. To the point. Reports are there as well.
Come to the point.
I'm not saying it.
If you're one of those who's wanting to come to the point of controversies and link-ups and all, well, both Sonal and I have obviously always read about the link-up, about the controversies, about this, about that. Right. We've always smiled it off and we've always laughed it off. But the fact remains that yes, 3G remains and is a very dear film to me. Right. A, because it's a beautiful film. B, yes, of course, I met Sonal. She's a great girl, a very good co-star. Somebody who really... I judge Sonal as a director's actor. She follows instructions so well. And obviously, I mean, two of my very dear friends, Shantanu and Shirshak, are the makers of the film.
Okay, but do you guys feel that somewhere the link-ups somewhere, do they add to the entire publicity element of the film?
Well, I think sometimes yes, it can. Not necessarily though. Right. Initially, we thought that, you know. Initially, both Sonal and I thought के चलो अच्छा यार लिखने दो, उन्होंने लिख रहे हैं हमारी फिल्म के बारे में लिख रहे हैं ना. And in fact, I remember once she and I had gone for like a coffee somewhere, and this was after me during the shoot of Shortcut. And I said that let's meet up, because there were a couple of things that we had to discuss, and it was her entire team, me, my entire team, and we had gone into a coffee shop somewhere very close to her house where she stays, and we got snapped, you know. And that was put in the paper.
That's where it started.
It started
that's
there.
where the whole thing started.
And we had an entire team, and it started there. And I
for some reason, the press never sees the people around.
Right.
They always manage to capture the two people that they want to link up.
They're good at editing actually.
Yeah, I think they go and like on post they remove the people around also.
Possible.
Yeah,
But no, having said
technology.
that, I think initially both of us were like, it's good. Let us, let our film get written about. She was single, I'm single. Both of us weren't in a relationship for us to have been bothered about or anything. And we let it go with the flow, But then it became a little too personal.
You were quite upset with the entire reports that there are 30 kisses in 3G and all that stuff. Apparently, you've clarified on that as well.
See, my thing is that, Faridun, why do we need... titillation is interesting, for the audience. It's nice to go and titillate the audience, showing a bit of a kiss scene, showing a girl coming out of, the sea in a bikini.
Right.
It's interesting. It's also great visual. But I'm saying here none of the makers of the film want to go and make this the selling point of the film. The film holds a lot more content than 30 kissing scenes.
And it's also cheating the audience.
40
Right.
scenes.
Exactly.
It's misguiding the audience.
Yeah, it is misguiding the audience. That is
Yeah.
true.
So
40,
that's
45
what-
scenes. If in that 30 scenes and kissing,
Where's the
then
film?
where's the film?
Exactly. So, how many? Like, let's put it on record now. How many kisses? In
The other
total?
day, Sonal and I both were counting. I think there are 4 or 5 only.
Acha.
Wait,
Yeah.
now let's count. Okay?
I think let the audience
please,
go and let the
No, let's count. I'll count.
Please count. Yeah, please.
One is the introduction bit at the home. Second is in the kitchen. Third is in the song in the pool. Then fourth is also in the song. And fifth one is
Content.
Yeah.
5 kisses in 3G. Okay, that's final now. Official. Okay.
Sonal Vese had it in her contract that I will not kiss more than 6 times.
Acha, like that. But I think you haven't really kissed on screen before that. Like Jannat, maybe it was like a more of a peck. In fact, this is like
Right,
first
right.
time it's like you've really
Right.
you've really done it. Frankly speaking, the entire idea of the entire, somewhere that sex symbol bit comes into the picture. I think women would love to do that. Actresses would love to have that tag. In fact, and somewhere just being somewhere
I don't know.
slotted
I don't
as
like,
well.
I don't like the sound of sex symbol. I just think that it's. I don't want a tag. I mean, if at all you want to tag me, then just tag me as an actor, and whatever's required of me as an actor, I'll do that. But sex symbol, I don't know.
But being a woman,
No, but I'll probably.
But if you call me sexy, I'll
I'll-
take that as a compliment.
right,
No,
right,
but
right.
again, I mean, he's got an interesting point of saying that also. Is again, I see it, I used to initially also feel very objectionable about this entire thing. Okay, why do people call women sex symbol or men, eye candy, or all these kind of words? But I now, by the time that the time has passed by, I've understood that it's actually a very big compliment.
Right.
Because-
Exactly. I think it
because
is.
very
I think it
few
is.
people in a country
Can carry it off.
can carry it off.
Okay.
So in a population of 1 billion, if you are called a hot hunk or a Casanova or something, and if a girl's called, sexy, or my God, she's an object of,
Desire.
desire, or she's like a sex symbol, I don't think it's bad. And
As long as it's
It's tastefully
said in,
said.
good taste, it's fine. Because I mean, when I decided to wear a bikini, obviously I wanted all the compliments that you just paid me, and thank you for that. So I'm happy that I'm getting the exact response that I wanted, and most importantly, I would like to thank Keiko Nakahara. That's the first time I felt comfortable when I got to know that she's a DOP, because it's a girl. So I know that she would know how to shoot another
She's
girl.
brilliant.
And she's done a great job. And
She's of which
She's from
nationality?
Japan.
Japan.
Japan. Sorry.
Yeah.
Japanese. Great.